Hello, my name is Luis Claus. I'm from Recife, Brazil, and this is Search for CS50W. For this project, the first requirement was that the site had at least 3 pages, and each of them should have a link in the upper right side of the screen for each of the other two. From the image search page, we can either go back to regular search or else go to advanced search. And from here, we can always go back to the main search page. From here, we can perform a Google search and be taken to Google's results for that search. I'm gonna type in Rocky Balboa, hit the Google search button, and here we are, the results page, the Google's result page for that search. As you can see, in Google's own site, we can put Rocky Balboa here too, and we're going to be taken to the same results page. Now I'm going to query an image. I'm going to click on image search button and then type Rocky Balboa in and click the button, and it takes us to the image search page from Google, as you can see on Google's own image search page. And Rocky Balboa, okay, and it takes us to the same page as you can see here. Now I'm gonna click here to go to the advanced search page, and as you can see, it resembles Google's own with the logo and the links and the text aligned to the right, and the input boxes in the same style as Google's, as required also. And the goal here is make each of these searches behave just like Google's. So if I type in the all these words field string test, we can see that the SQ parameter was used in the request, as can be seen here. The next field, this exact word or phrase, sends an as EPQ parameter query string, as you can see here also. Similarly, if I search the any of these words field, the query parameter is going to be a SOQ. And lastly, none of these words field is going to return a SEQ parameter, as you can see right here. Next, we added a I'm feeling lucky button that behaves just like Google's own and takes users directly to the first Google search result instead of the normal results page, as you can see here. For security reasons, we have to click and go to the actual page, and here we are. And now I'm gonna perform the same query on my search page, and as you can see, it takes us to the same page Google did, which is the first result, and there it is. And eventually there are some searches like Google Maps for instance, that if we push the feeling lucky button, it takes us direct to the site bypassing security check. The last thing I want to show is about the aesthetics. I tried to make it resemble Google's own, and I use CSS to make buttons and colors and hovers and shadows and whatever I could. Even a similar logo I tried to resemble, and that was it. The only thing I missed was in the advanced page. I tried to make it responsive, and I did it. So that was Search